Here are some of the products that I used to grow my hair. Red and white onion, which is rich in sulfur, which helps to prevent hair breakages and thinning of hair. Black rice, which is rich in zinc, potassium, and magnesium. Clove, which treats dandruff and promotes hair growth, and rosemary, which boosts blood circulation to scalp and follicles. Aloe vera, which contains so many active ingredients which helps to treat dandruff, promotes healthy hair scalp, stimulates hair growth, reduces hair breakages, and improves the overall health of your hair. Next is ginger, which boosts blood circulation to scalp, which promotes healthy hair growth and strengthens hair strands. Neem, which conditions your scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, reduces dandruff, and treats itchy scalp. Hibiscus, which prevents premature graying, thickens hair, and conditions hair against frizz. Black seeds, which promotes hair growth. It also protects the hair against hair thinning. And finally, fenugreek seeds, which helps to moisturize hair strands.